Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off location service on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off location service on Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings. Now click on cookies and site permissions. Now scroll down. Under all permissions, you will find location. Click on location. Ask before accessing. It's recommended to turn on. If you want to turn it off, just click here to turn off. Now location service is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.